Yes, legends, welcome back to the channel as always, guys. I just got out the gym after a boozy freaking weekend. It was one of my good friends, Pete No Stop's birthday this weekend. So, guys, I am feeling a little bit worse for weather, but I'm out the gym trying to get back, trying to feel fresh. And, guys, we have a lot to talk about on Bitcoin price action right now, actually. There's something I'm looking at right now, guys, which I haven't seen on Bitcoin for years. This over-exacerbated amount. I'll show you in a second. Guys, we'll go through flat PA. We're going to go through the indicators. We're going to look at the commitment of traders. We'll go through the CBBI. You know what the drill is. And guys, we'll talk about the long to short ratio as well. But guys, we'll start with flat price action. We'll go to my last video. So in my last video, guys, I said that I was trying to get long from the 20K region. And we did because, guys, we had this really nice bullish divergence playing out. Guys, you can see on the oscillator 5 here, this beautiful bullish divergence coming around on the lower time frames. And I did take that trade, guys. And looking back, guys, you know, we just didn't get much follow through on this move up from this bullish divergence. And the indicator flipped short. I came out of my position. I basically came out of break even, slight loss. And we did get a deviation of a 20K. We've come back down, guys. Can't win every trade. Simple as that moving forward. So that trade set up there is now invalid. We can't do that. We got to move on. And that bullish divergence, we didn't get much follow through up for the lower high scenario. And I did think that, you know, if we did get the lower high, I did think we were going to come back lower anyway to the next support. And that's what we've got right now, guys. So we kind of got to the same destination, slightly different route. I was expecting a little bit more. But now, guys, what we got to look at is, you know, I'll go into the long to short ratio in a second because this is an incredible amount of longs, guys, we have on Binance right now. It's actually pretty shocking. I can't actually think of a time we've seen 74%. It must have been over a year ago we had 74% of Binance longing the market, guys, at basically levels we're at now. This is the kind of stuff you see at the top of a bull market or a bull cycle, and then the market goes against everybody. So retail on lower time frames, guys, are significantly long right now. It's not a good look for Bitcoin, guys. It doesn't give me confidence. We want to see the market being very, very short and the market go against it. The market will make the fools out the most. Look, I can see a pop getting back up to around 20 here, guys, but as that long to short ratio stays where it is, it's not a good look for that, you know, short to medium term outlook, okay? I'm going to flip to the 4 hour, guys, and just show you what we've got here. If we do lose the prior lows, guys, and as you can see it really clearly, if we do lose around, let's have a look what we got here. So it's my support we got here, 17,500. If this level here does get lost, guys, there is really no support, and I've said this from the beginning, until around $14,000. I don't see us stopping anywhere between here and 14K. I've said from the beginning, guys, that I do think that Bitcoin is likely, in my analysis, what I look at, we're either going to go 14 then 28 or 28 then 14. You know, that's where the max paid is. And at the moment, guys, the market going up isn't where the max pain is. Actually, if the market went up right now, it'd be good for people because everyone's long in the market on Binance. And we know that retail traders, lower end retail traders use Binance to trade, okay? So as of right now, it's not a good look, guys. You can't say that. I want to see that flip. In terms of traditional, like, TAs flat, yes, we are on the lower time frames oversold right now. I wouldn't be shocked to me to see this pop back up, guys, to 20K. And what we're looking to do is actually sell 20K as resistance. It's very, very simple, guys. You buy 20K as support, you sell it as resistance if you're beneath it. If we're below 20, it's looking more bearish. If we're above 20, it's getting better. You know, if we do come up like this, guys, and I'll quickly just give you a scenario, I will look to take a short into 20. It's as simple as that. That's basically the trade there, guys. You know, you're actually looking for a lower high into this. Very, very simple, easy traditional trade. Doesn't mean it has to be successful. That's what I would do, just to be completely consistent. And then, guys, if we did get a break above it, hold it, then we could see maybe we're coming up to see that prior next level of resistance, which I think would be around here, actually coming up to around what we got before, looking at around 21,700, guys. I'm trying to make this real simple and clear. So that's the kind of scenario for the bulls here. It could be okay. If we do hold here right now, we could be looking at swinging around. You know, we do have some sort of less lower lows, which is a good sign. And I think if we're below 20, guys, you just got to be more bearish than if you're above it. And that's really as simple as you can take this. You know, this long to short ratio is not a good look. You cannot lie. And when you look at the commitment of traders, guys, of this is Chicago Mercantile Exchange. That's how you set it up right there. You can see it. I think these guys are going to be even adding more shorts. So, guys, we've got to be very clear. I've said this from the beginning. You know, I think the market is 3 to 6 months of sideways and flat and slightly down. And if the CME group, institutional grade traders who have done this for a fucking long time, they're going against retail, significantly short from institutional grade traders, and we have everyone's long on retail exchanges. It's not a good look, guys, for this being the bottom. Okay, that's all I can say. Obviously, we don't know exactly where the bottom is going to be. It could be 17 if we hold here, get back above 20, but it doesn't bode any good real good. It doesn't look good, guys, because you can't really look at that and logically think that is people who've been trading for a short amount of time going to be better than people who've been trading for a longer period of time. Okay, so very, very simple there, guys. Obviously, CBBI, I won't bother with long-term analysis. You know, guys, that buying Bitcoin beneath $20,000 is a great time to buy Bitcoin for a long-term investment perspective. Right now, we're sticking to the lower time frames, guys, because we've been chopping in this kind of lower side range for Bitcoin for a while. What I would say, guys, is just follow the indicators on this. You know, I've actually been using this myself. You know, when it's a choppy sideways range, just use the indicators. They're backtested to do very, very well. And this short call here got me out of my long position. I literally took it out when I saw that short. And I'm not in a trade as of right now. I'm actually waiting to see if we can reclaim 20,000. So if you're looking to actually trade this market right now, guys, here are the two scenarios. And it's better to be sitting out than be in. Wait for rejection of 20K again for the continuation to break the low. We're going to likely go to 17, maybe even 14. So sell into 20. Or wait for us to jet above it, find a support, and then buy it. Don't try and trade without that middle ground. You don't want to be putting your positions in no man's land. You want to be trying to play the logical SR levels, the support and resistance, the key SR levels, and I think 20K is 100% that level right now because this is a historical this is the high of the previous bull market, okay? That's how you trade this market. Don't try and chase this. Just stick with the indicators and try and float with them. These indicators, guys, you can get from mdxalgo.com, all completely for free for 7 days. Check it out. You know what to do. And, guys, if you want to trade these markets and quickly get through this. Wow, that was loud. Quickly get through this, guys. If you want to trade these markets on similar exchanges I do, just go to mdxalgo.com and then come to trade. And then these links, guys, you know, Bybit, Phemex, PrimeXPT, and Tokenmetrics. If you click these links within the portal, they'll actually, these exchanges, they're our partners. They'll give you thousands of dollars to trade with for free, guys. And we also have a new partner as well, Nexo, which is really, really cool to see. And you can click learn, basically. If you click learn, it will take you over to our website, and you can check it all out from there, from all of our articles. So that's mdxcrypto.com and mdxalgo.com. You know that. But just to kind of like taper this off, guys, the overall arcing kind of narrative right now is that the market is going to make the fools out the most, and that's what's happening. You know, the market will not go up if everyone's long. I do see a scenario here around the 20K region to play off, but I wouldn't be putting any significant trades in on this. Forgot to mention, guys, PalmSwap. This is a really cool up-and-coming altcoin decentralized perpetual swap platform. This is actually launching tomorrow. I think I'm going to have the team on actually tomorrow as well. And this is a really good early investment into PalmSwap. Get into the pre-sale where you can actually put some money down into a new perpetual swap contract platform and get in early, guys. So the link is below, guys, to PalmSwap as well. You know what to do. It runs on the Binance Smart Chain, so really cool there. Guys, tell me in the comments below, what's your trading strategy? Are you long or short? And I will see you on probably stream a bit later tonight. So like this video if you want me to stream tonight live, okay? You're all legends. I'll see you on the flip side.